Hi guys, in this video I am delighted to show you how to recover your email address without a phone number. To get started, you want to use any web browser of your choice. I'm going to be using Chrome browser. You want to click on your Gmail icon. You want to click on the picture right here in the circle. You want to select the account you want to recover. As you can see, I am required to sign in. So I'm asked to enter a password and I can't remember the password. So I'm going to click on forgot password. Google Mail is asking me to enter the last password I can remember. So if you can remember, maybe not the password you're using currently, but maybe a password you used before that very password, you can go ahead and enter it. Okay, maybe you just changed the password and you can't remember the new password. You can enter that old password you can still remember. All right, so I'm gonna try to enter a password I can still remember. I'm gonna click on next. So it's not asking me to create a strong password. Okay, you want to go ahead and create a new password entirely. Once you're done setting your password and you're pretty sure, you want to go ahead and click on save password. Alright, one of my passwords is wrong. You want to make sure these two passwords match. Alright, you want to go ahead and click on save. Google is asking me to try with a password I have never used before. So you have to use a password you've never used before. Alright, I have changed the password. Want to click on save password. Alright, continue to Gmail. So these are just security check. I'll just go ahead and continue to Gmail. Alright guys, I am signed into my Gmail account without looking at my phone number. Guys, this is how to recover email account without phone number. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.